Was onside, and Bravo makes a spectacular save. City's starting to build a little bit of a head of steam now. Mahrez and João Cancelo, and a lovely ball and turned in by Phil Foden. Well, it's been given offside by VAR. Gundogan. Lovely ball, Jesus, and still brilliant goal. Absolutely stunning goal from Gabriel Jesus. Well, he's got a magnificent record against Everton, and maybe that's the reason that Pep Guardiola opted to start him ahead of Sergio Aguero. Foden again, and Mahrez once more, and on it goes to Gabriel Jesus, who scores. 2-0 City, 2 goals for Gabriel Jesus, and City now in control of the match. And Gabriel Jesus just loves facing the Toffees, and they can't chew him out because he's spitting them out. Bravo getting the better of Calvert-Lewin with a lovely little drag back. Oh, and he's given it away. Moise Kean on the edge of the area. Still Moise Kean, and now Walcott. And turned in at the far post, and Everton are back in it. João Cancelo. Jesus! Saved by Pickford. Foden. Still going Foden. Still going Phil Foden. And that's... well, the referee says that's not a penalty. Mahrez. Gundogan. Mahrez. Jesus is onside and hits the post.